Quick video here to show you what to do if your electric toothbrush battery is starting to go weak, even regardless of how long you charge it. This particular Oral-B toothbrush is over 10 years old. It's been a gem. It's really helped me out a lot. I love this toothbrush. But unfortunately now, when it goes completely dead or weak, I'll charge it and it'll take over a day to charge, and then even after fully charging it, it's weak. And the battery won't even last that long. It won't even last a couple of days of use. It'll just completely start going dead. I want to show you here what to do real quick. It does have like a nickel battery inside of it. So what I'm going to do is put it in the freezer overnight for about 10 to 12 hours. Okay, let's put this bad boy in the freezer for about 10 hours overnight. Okay, good morning. So it's been about 10 hours since I put my electric toothbrush in the freezer, and it's cold, of course. Let's try it. Next, what you're going to want to do is let your toothbrush sit for about 40 minutes after you take it out of the refrigerator. Give it a chance to de-thaw, and then that way it'll start working again. So as you can see here, after it's just been in the refrigerator for 40 minutes without having to recharge it, it's pretty darn strong. And so what that does is that it starts to expand the battery, and then it retracts back, and that will give it life. Not only for this nickel-plated battery that's inside of it, but for batteries in general. Whether that if you have AAA or AA or Duracell batteries, if you want to get more life out of battery, you just put it in the freezer for 10 hours, and it'll give you a lot more life in it. So that's what I did with this particular battery. Now you can replace the battery that's inside it, the nickel battery. The problem is that you have to do some soldering work. You have to basically go inside of it, open it from here, and then you have to do some soldering work to get it off, and then you have to solder it back in. That's kind of like too much work. I'd rather just buy another Oral-B. But doing the trick by putting in the freezer will give you a lot more life. All right, thanks for watching.